Here we have my 2016 FZ09, and what I'll show you today is the Fender delete and the taillight pod delete kit that I did on this bike. So here's what the stock setup looked like. Pretty big, pretty clunky. I like all my machines to have a nice finished clean look, so you basically go from that to that, and it actually cleans up the rear of the bike and makes it look a lot better. And rather having these large pod assemblies, you get this finished clean look, which I really like. I was even able to find a bracket that was close in color to my original paneling color, so that is nice. So there's my license plate. It's available to the public anyway, so I don't care. So what I did was, this is actually two pieces on the back here. These aren't the TST industry kits. The only thing that maybe I would have gone with is the TST for the tail light and bracket delete, because it will clean up a little bit better on the bottom here. Like, this does have an open gap, which is fine for me. I'm not really concerned about it. I do like the look of this bracket. You can get it in a whole bunch of different colors to match your bike, and I'll actually leave the link for that down in the description. It isn't actually a direct fit. I did have to do a little bit of drilling. I think it was for... Actually, it's a bolt you can't really see. It's the bolt that is up under here, just to make it fit properly. But it does fit. I just can't rate it like a 10 out of 10 for easiness of install. For easiness to install, I'd give it about a 4. So there is a little bit of drilling that I had to do to get this bracket to fit. But at the end of the day, it does fit and it does work. I did my taillight at the same time. So what I got now on the back of this one is actually an integrated taillight. So that just basically means that it's got its own integrated signals in it. And there's a million different kinds of these you can get on the market. So that's just the one I went with, because I think I've only paid like $40 or something for this one. Whereas some of the other ones are, you know, upwards of 100, 120. Yeah, I cheaped out, but you know what? I cheaped out in a good way, and it actually looks really good. You can see this taillight bracket does actually have a super bright LED in there too. You can change the angle on which this plate sits just by loosening off the bolts and the nuts here, and you can actually rotate your plate. I like where it sits right there because it's kind of doubling as a fender a little bit for me today, and I just like you know, I don't like having it quite flat. And you don't even have to hook up this light, you know, if you're one of those guys. Opening up the seat here, a little dirty under here. Just got to ride home in the rain recently, so a little bit dirty in here, but all my wiring is nice and clean. Just tied it all back. For the tail light, it does have the stock wiring harness for the running lights, but it doesn't use actually the stock wiring harness for your signals, which are these two connectors. I left them in and just tied into the harness behind them, because if I ever wanted to go back to the stock configuration, because I keep the parts, then all I have to do is just plug them in and undo that tether that I did into the wiring, undo the clamps that I have to tap into the wire taps, and I can just simply plug those back in if I want. I like to keep my stock parts because maybe, who knows, 5-10 years down the road, if you want to sell this bike, sometimes there's rules like you have to get it re-inspected, and it's not all the time that like exhaust is a big one. I know it won't pass inspection because exhaust or tires, or maybe the lights aren't configured right. So I want to keep that so I can still do that down the road, or whoever I can sell it to can still do that. Got a couple other things in here, just my quick leads for my battery maintainer. I'm still waiting on the Signalite pod deletes because I do want to take these off too. And if you ever watched my sled videos, I'm all about taking things off. Rarely things ever stay on my sleds, and obviously that is translating to my bikes too. So if you're looking for a simple mod that actually helps clean up the look of the bike, and I think for both the integrated tail light and also this bracket. I'll leave links to both of them down in the description. I think I'm probably like 80 bucks into it. You can buy the TST stuff, but you know, you end up spending probably 200 bucks for the same thing, so twice as much for the same look. Plus, I don't think you can color match this to your bike, whereas this is available in like 8 colors or something like that. So if you're looking for a simple mod to put into your FZ or your MT, not a bad mod that cleans up the look of the bike. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I've only had this bike for a little bit of time now. I've only been on it for a few months. I put some real miles on it, and I'm liking it. I actually love this bike. A lot more power compared to my 300. 900 is super torquey. Thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Maybe we'll do some more work to this. Maybe work on one of the other machines out back.